Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Elite Estate Tour, where we explore the world's most luxurious and breathtaking homes. Today we are stepping into something truly extraordinary, a futuristic white crystal mega mansion that combines ultramodern design with a serene, calming vibe. Imagine a home that looks like it came straight out of a sci-fi movie, complete with a stunning blue infinity pool, sleek white interiors, floor-to-ceiling glass walls, and every luxury you could dream of. Trust me, you're going to want to see every inch of this place. As we step through the massive entrance, you immediately notice how light floods the space thanks to the expansive windows. The foyer itself is a statement: polished white marble floors, subtle crystal accents that catch the sunlight, and a futuristic chandelier that seems to float in midair. The combination of soft whites and reflective surfaces gives the entire area a sense of both elegance and space, almost like walking inside a piece of modern art. Moving into the main living area, the first thing that strikes you is the open concept design. The living room flows seamlessly into the dining area and the kitchen, making it perfect for both entertaining guests and enjoying family time. The furniture here is minimalistic yet luxurious, with clean lines and high-quality materials. Plush white sofas face a panoramic wall of glass, offering uninterrupted views of the infinity pool outside and the city skyline beyond. The lighting system is fully automated, with hidden LED strips that change color depending on the time of day or the mood you want to create. Now let's talk about the kitchen, which is nothing short of a chef's dream. This kitchen features state-of-the-art appliances integrated seamlessly into the sleek cabinetry. A huge island in the center doubles as a breakfast bar and prep area, with a stunning waterfall countertop that mirrors the reflective white theme of the home. Smart technology is everywhere, from touchless faucets to an automated pantry system that keeps track of all your ingredients. Even the coffee machine can be programmed to have your favorite cup ready before you even step into the kitchen. Just off the kitchen, we find the formal dining area, perfect for hosting elegant dinner parties. The table seats 12 comfortably, and above it hangs a striking crystal chandelier that complements the futuristic vibe. The chairs are upholstered in soft, off-white leather, adding warmth to the otherwise cool-toned space. Floor-to-ceiling windows surround the dining area, letting in natural light and giving you a view of the blue infinity pool, which shimmers like a gem against the stark white exterior of the mansion. Now let's step outside to the true showstopper of this property, the infinity pool. It stretches along the entire length of the mansion, with edges that seem to merge seamlessly into the horizon. The pool is a vibrant blue, contrasting perfectly with the white crystal facade of the home. Surrounding the pool is a spacious deck with modern lounge chairs, outdoor dining areas, and even a built-in bar for entertaining. Imagine hosting a sunset party here, with the city lights beginning to twinkle as the sky turns golden. There's also a hot tub area at one end of the pool, perfect for relaxing under the stars after a long day. Returning indoors, we enter the master suite, which is a sanctuary of its own. This bedroom is massive, with more glass walls that bring in natural light and provide uninterrupted views of the surrounding landscape. The bed itself is ultramodern with a floating platform design, and luxurious textiles make it incredibly inviting. A sitting area is positioned next to the windows, perfect for morning coffee while soaking in the view. The master bathroom is equally impressive. Think white marble, crystal accents, and high-tech fixtures. There's a freestanding tub positioned in front of a glass wall overlooking the pool, so you can relax while enjoying the scenery. The walk-in shower is equipped with rainfall and waterfall options, and the dual vanities have smart mirrors that adjust lighting for the perfect makeup or grooming session. Even the flooring is heated, giving a spa-like experience every day. Moving on, the mansion also includes multiple guest bedrooms, each with ensuite bathrooms and their own unique design features. Some bedrooms have private balconies, while others offer views of the surrounding gardens or cityscape. Every room maintains the futuristic theme with clean lines, white finishes, and integrated smart home technology that allows you to control lighting, temperature, and even window shades with a single touch. Speaking of smart technology, this home is fully automated. From the climate control system that adjusts based on weather conditions, to a high-end security system that includes facial recognition at entry points, everything is designed for convenience and safety. There's also a home theater with the latest audiovisual equipment, a private gym with panoramic views, and a wine cellar with climate-controlled storage for the finest collections. Now let's explore the entertainment areas. There's a luxurious lounge space with an immersive sound system, perfect for hosting parties or enjoying movie nights. The mansion also features a gaming room and a virtual reality setup, allowing for immersive experiences right in your own home. For outdoor entertainment, aside from the infinity pool, there's a rooftop terrace with lounge areas, a barbecue station, and stunning 360-degree views of the surrounding city and landscape. The architecture of the mansion itself is a masterpiece. Its white crystal exterior reflects light in a mesmerizing way, creating a sparkling effect that changes throughout the day. The mansion is built with sustainability in mind. Solar panels are seamlessly integrated into the design, and energy-efficient systems help reduce the environmental footprint without compromising on luxury. For car enthusiasts, there's a multi-car garage that can house some of the most exotic and luxury vehicles. The garage doors are automated, and the design continues the sleek, futuristic theme with polished white surfaces and soft LED lighting. Imagine driving out of here in your luxury car, stepping onto a driveway that feels like an extension of the mansion's futuristic aesthetic. Let's also not forget the outdoor gardens and landscaping, which are meticulously designed. The greenery contrasts beautifully with the white architecture, adding life and color. There are hidden seating areas, serene water features, and walking paths that make the outdoor spaces perfect for relaxation or evening strolls. Even the lighting outdoors is thoughtfully designed, highlighting the mansion's architectural details while creating a warm ambience at night. One of the most unique features of this mansion is the private wellness area. It includes a yoga and meditation space, a spa, and even an indoor sauna. The design focuses on tranquility, with soft lighting, natural elements, and panoramic views that create a perfect escape from the hustle of daily life. As we wrap up this tour, it's clear that this futuristic white crystal mega mansion isn't just a home, it's an experience. Every corner has been meticulously designed to offer luxury, comfort, and sophistication. From the infinity pool to the high-tech features, from the breathtaking master suite to the stunning outdoor spaces, this property redefines what modern luxury living can be. Thank you so much for joining me on this incredible tour. If you enjoyed seeing this mansion as much as I did, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any future luxury estate tour. Also, comment below which part of this mansion blew your mind the most. Was it the infinity pool, the master suite, or perhaps the futuristic design elements? Until next time, this is Elite Estate Tour, bringing you the finest homes from around the world, one luxurious property at a time. See you in the next video.